Contact tracing continues to be a major tool in the Department of Health following the steps of the coronavirus among the community. But the state's lead epidemiologist says they're finding a recurring pattern in these new cases. Max Rodriguez tonight in the story that's new at 10.
State epidemiologist Dr. Sarah Park tells me these ups and downs in cases is not where we want to be as the state expands services and travel. She says this is not the time to let our guard down. Shopping and dining out are not the major causes of the latest rise in COVID-19 cases. Instead, the Department of Health says they are tracing new transmissions to gatherings with family and friends.
The common theme that we're seeing among our cases is that they were part of at least one gathering. Usually their family, extended family, maybe a few friends.
From funerals to graduation parties, she says it's people getting close together that leads to a rise in COVID-19 cases. Throughout the month of May, the DOH reported 0 new cases, a positive sign that the curve was flattening. Dr. Park says that low level of transmission is what the state needs as August approaches, when travelers who test negative for COVID-19 are not subjected to quarantine.
That's not a good place to be. Ideally, where we want to be is where we were a month ago, when you saw 1 case at a time, maybe 0 cases, a couple of days, 2 cases another day. That's where we want to be. And that's not to say we have to be shut down to do that. What we need to do is maintain the safe practices.
As more businesses continue to reopen, Dr. Park says people must still exercise caution. Lieutenant Governor Josh Green recently told KHON2 News he would like to see 500 contact tracers ready to go by August. But Dr. Park says the state does not need that many tracers.
Instead of focusing on we need this many contact tracers, I would ask that we shift the focus again on those safe practices and what our community can and should be doing to make sure that we don't reach that point.
Besides August 1st, Dr. Sarah Park is also keeping a close eye to this 4th of July weekend. She says there's plenty of evidence the disease is still moving within the community, so maintain social distancing and wear a mask, even among family. Max Rodriguez, KHON2 News, working for Hawaii.